Hi guys, this is Fallon. Today we'll be doing a cheesy stuffed jerk chicken breast, which I find to be absolutely amazing, and honestly I can't wait for you guys to try. So without further ado, let's go. So right now I'm adding all the dry seasoning, and I've labeled the quantity and the season that I'm adding in the video description, so you guys should be good. So you're just gonna rub all that seasoning in and the flavors together. You can use a knife to make a pocket inside the chicken breast just so you can add the stuffings. So right now I'm gonna add garlic, salt, pepper, and the spinach to the pot, saute it for like a few minutes just to cook it halfway. Right now you're gonna stuff the spinach and the cheese inside of the chicken breast. And you can stuff as much cheese and spinach as you like. So here you're just gonna use a toothpick to seal the chicken breast, just so the cheese and spinach doesn't spill out. Just make sure your pot is sizzling hot because you want each side to brown to get a nice brown coated color. Now you're gonna put it in the oven for at least 12 to 15 minutes. Now our chicken is done and ready to serve. If you like to see more of my food videos, just like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you guys. Bye.